अगर हुजूर दे बारे किसी ने कोई खाके बनाने की गल की, एटम बम असीं उहदे ते सुट देना है।
I have nothing against Muslims. I have nothing against people. I have a problem with the Islamic ideology.
The Dutch national broadcaster has shown cartoons of the Prophet Muhammad during a slot that is reserved. It was then accompanied by this statement.
Wat niet mag, vanwege de islam en vanwege het geweld van de terroristen, doen we toch. En dat noemen we vrijheid van meningsuiting.
In the following 2 minutes, 9 cartoons of the Prophet Muhammad were shown. We will not be showing them here on RT International. The Freedom Party leader Geert Wilders, who is known for his outspoken anti-Islam stance, also asked for the cartoons to be shown inside the Dutch parliament, though that was refused.
कदर नबी दा एक ही जानन दुनियादार कमीने, कदर नबी दा जानन वाले सौ गए विच मदीने।